Okay, so notice to airmen was given by when suddenly there is a sudden change, sudden all of a sudden without any warning. If we have any aeronautical facility not working, and important timely knowledge of which is very essential for the safety of the aircraft, we cannot wait to give that information. We cannot put that thing on a notice board and ask other people, because we require the information just now of its some urgent nature. The notice is like we need a, and there is an urgency in the notice. Such notices which are of an urgent nature and which are to be given immediately for the knowledge of the people operating the aircraft, affecting the safety of the aircraft in flight. So such notices are given by RT. The ATC will immediately say, no time to all aircraft flying in the vicinity of Mumbai, no time 0930, Bravo, 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 inoperational. Okay, Bravo, 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 inoperational. It will transmit this type of recorded message continuously. All the aircraft departing from Mumbai and arriving in Mumbai will get this notice like a notice. It is not a notice, but like a recording. It will come as a broadcast. Immediately, people will know it. They came to know it immediately because it was put on the air on RT. So, message is given by telecommunication. That is RT. Also, but sometimes what happens, we are not having any failure on the VUR. But Airport Authority of India has decided, or the DGC has decided that now Mumbai VUR range is 100 nautical miles. Why don't we make it 150? Why don't we? So let us make it more strong or make stronger VUR. So let us put in more antennas. And so this is maintenance work. This is maintenance work in which we are planning to shut down the VUR. It is not shutting by itself suddenly, but we are planning to shut it down. When we are planning to shut out, we know when we will shut it down. So, okay, we will close the Mumbai VUR for maintenance purpose or for renovation purpose or upgrading of Mumbai VUR. We will be doing maybe on 1st of August. From 1st of August to 7th of August, August will come. 1st of August to 7th of August, Mumbai VUR will be closed. This is advance notice. This is not all of a sudden. This is advance notice when we are planning a thing or the closure of a facility. Such planning or closures of aeronautical facilities, when we know in advance, such notices, there is no need to go in telecommunication. When you are shutting the Mumbai VUR on 1st of August, why do we have the need of telling it in RT today? Okay, on 12th of July, no need to say. So such notices will be sent to all the domestic operators and international airports and all the ATCs in India by teleprinters or by fax or by letters or by any other means convenient to the Airport Authority of India. It may send such notices that we will be closing futuristic notice of futuristic nature, in which we are planning something for the future. Such notice will be put by all other means except telecommunication. Notice by telecommunications will only be of an urgent nature. Apart from there, if there is no urgency in the notice, then telecommunication. That is, you can send it by fax, you can send it by mail, you can send it on by any other teleprinter, or even you can send it by letters. Any other means you can send the notice. I mean, the government will send this notice to the respective people involved in the operation of aircraft, but not on telecommunication. Telecommunication only in the case if the notice is of urgent. That's why notice to airmen are distributed in two types: class 1 distribution by means of telecommunication, and class 2 distribution by means other than telecommunication. Okay, so any other notice which is not by telecommunication and given to an airman for the safety and operation of the aircraft, which has a futuristic nature, is known as NOTAM class 2. NOTAM is notice to airmen. It has two classes: class 1, class 2. Class 1 given by telecommunication, and the notice which do not come in class 1 will be given by class 2 NOTAM, that is known as second class NOTAM. Second class NOTAMs are those NOTAMs which are not given by telecommunication by any other means, and class 1 or first class NOTAMs will be given by telecommunication. I think we will do one more section, that is on page 20. On page 20 we will go. On page 20 we will go, and we will see, time permitting 10 minutes if you are having, we will see on page number 20. We will try to do the Q codes today. Page number 20, I think it is the Q codes are given on page number 20. Okay, then we will of course elaborate more on the NOTAM part. if you go on page number 20, and I had sent you on your group, I had sent you the relevant which Q codes which you have to. These are the Q codes, and abbreviation, Q codes and abbreviation commonly used. So in that I have marked QFE, and I had marked QNH, and I had marked QTE, then I had marked QDR, then I had marked QDL and marked QDM, and of course I had written one that QFU, that was magnetic orientation of front. This is the important Q codes which we have marked in our this entire list of Q codes. Out of this, all these Q codes, either they may ask you in the part 2 in your abbreviations phonetic code, that is section 5th section of your first part question, that they may ask you, or in part 2 the examiner may sometime ask you. They mostly they don't ask you codes in the part 2. These Q codes may mostly be asked, like we did today itself in one question paper. It was there today, Madurai request your magnetic orientation. Instead of that we said request QFU. QFU stands for magnetic. So in the 5th question they may ask you these Q codes. All right, now QFE, QNH, QT, QDR, QDL, QDM and QFU, what these are. Now, this I will explain to you in tomorrow's class, and of course we will continue with one more question paper and do the 1 or 2 situations remaining, and then maybe in another 1 or 2 or 3 days remaining of the class, whatever, will more focus will be on Viva part, because I think part 1, except for the remaining situations and except for your queries, whatever queries you have, definitely you may ask me, and tomorrow we'll do more 1 or 2 question papers more, we'll do more situations, new situations which are left out, and then go to the Viva section. Thank you. चलो बंद करो।